All right, so I am going to go climb that mountain right behind me, but there's only one way to get there, and that is off the escape route. All right, so we're gonna go climb the Petit Piton today, and we've got our guide service right here. All right, here's the front office right here. You've got your beverages lined up. Can we pay to make sure we don't die? Because if
no problem. $5 American, not 500. $5.
Okay, $5 American. Okay. All right. Oh, look how cute that little goat is. I think that maybe the hardest thing on this mountain would be finding the trail. Once you find the trail, you're good. So I'm with Elias today, and Elias has been up this I don't know how many times, but I kind of feel like a baby because look at what I'm.
I climb.
This is what he's wearing.
Barefoot.
Let me see your traction on those. Do you have good traction on the bottom?
No.
No, not very good traction.
Right.
That's okay. How you guys doing? Good. You want to board the top of that, Yor?
I don't want to go underneath it.
Why?
Huh?
Just don't fall.
Easy, bro. I'm below you, man.
Right now we're on the shoulder of the Petit Piton. You can see down there, I don't want to look because it's windy, but we're heading up there. Right up there. That is steep. Right up the side.